Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video we are going to see quality assurance, quality control and quality assurance versus quality control. So guys, if you are new to this channel then please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel you can find videos related to manual testing, automation testing and programming languages as well. So guys, let's start with our today's video. Quality assurance. Software quality assurance is also known as QA. Is a sequence of tasks to prevent the defects. So quality assurance is a sequence of tasks, the processes to prevent the defect in the software. It ensures that the techniques, methods, approaches and processes are designed for a specific application must be implemented correctly. So quality assurance, it makes sure that the techniques, the methods, the approaches and the processes that we are following for a software or an application, these processes should be implemented correctly so that no defect should be present in the software. This is an ongoing process within the development of a software system. So quality assurance is an ongoing process in the development of a software. So the quality assurance activity starts from the very beginning of the development of the software and it continues till the end where it is delivered to the client. The development of units of an application is checked under the quality assurance specification in the sequence of their development. So the units or the modules that are developed by the dev team, the quality assurance is applicable on those units in the sequence in which they are being developed and then they are being integrated. The responsibility of quality assurance is not any specific team, but it is responsibility of each member of the development team. So to ensure that the quality of the software is the best quality and to ensure that the quality assurance activities should be followed in the team, so the responsibility is not of any specific team. The responsibility is of the entire team and each member of the development team is responsible for ensuring the quality of the software. Quality assurance prevent defects. Quality assurance is a process oriented. So the quality assurance ensures that the processes that we are following to develop the software should be correct and the processes should not lead to any defect in the software. Quality assurance is proactive in a process and preventive in nature. So the main focus of quality assurance is on the process of the software development. So it is proactive in a process, whereas it is preventive in nature because it prevents any defects in the software. Quality assurance is a managerial tool. So the managers or the management of the team should follow the quality assurance measures or the processes to ensure that the software that was being developed should be a defect-free software. Each developer is responsible for quality assurance. Next is quality control. Quality control, also known as QC, is a sequence of tasks to ensure the quality of the software by identifying defects and correction of defects in the developed software. So whereas the quality assurance is mainly focused on the process that are to be followed for development of the software, whereas in quality control we check the developed software to find out if any defect is present in the software and to correct the defects in the developed software. Whereas in the quality assurance the software development was in process, whereas in quality control the software development process is finished and the software is developed and now the testing phase of the software is started. It is a reactive process and the main purpose of this process is to correct all types of defects before releasing the software. So the main focus of quality control is to find as many defects in the software and to correct all the types of defects that are present before the release of the software to the client or the customer. The process is done by eliminating sources of problem which causes the quality of the software to be low. through the corrective tools so that the software can meet customer requirements and high quality. So in quality control, we identify the problems or the specific areas where the quality is low and the defects are more. So we identify those areas and the defects are fixed so that the customer requirements are met and the software quality is high. The responsibility of quality control is of a specific team which is known as testing team that tests the defects of software by validation and corrective tools. So the responsibility for quality control lies with the testing team. So testing team is responsible for testing the software and the quality that is being delivered to the client. So the testing team uses different types of validation and corrective tools to test the software and to find any defects present in the software. Quality control provides identification of defects. Quality control is product oriented. So quality assurance was process oriented because it focused on the process of development of the software, whereas quality control is product oriented. Quality control is product oriented because it focused on the developed software which was developed by the dev team. Quality control is a corrective tool. So quality control is a corrective tool because the defects that were made by the dev team, that defects can be identified by the testing team, and then the defects should be fixed and then it should be delivered to the client. Testing team is responsible for quality control. Quality control is a reactive process. So now guys, we will see the differences between quality assurance and quality control. First of all, the definition of both the terms. Quality assurance is a group of activities which ensure that the quality of processes which is used during the development of the software always should be maintained. Whereas in quality control is a group of activities to detect the defects in the developed software. So next, the focus of quality control is on preventing the defects in developing the software by paying attention to the processes, whereas the focus of quality control is to identify defects in the developed software by paying attention to testing process. How we can do quality assurance? We can do quality assurance by establishment of high quality management system and periodic audits for conformance of the operation of the developing software, whereas quality control can be done by detecting and eliminating the quality problems by using testing techniques and tools in the developed software. So quality assurance ensure prevention of quality problems element by using systematic activities including documentation. So in quality assurance, we can prevent that the software which is being developed can be of low quality by using the documentation and different types of process identification, whereas in quality control ensures identification and elimination of defects by using processes and techniques to achieve and maintain high quality of the software. Quality assurance is process oriented and quality control is product oriented. Types of processes that are followed in quality assurance are: it is a proactive process, it concerns to improve development so defects do not arise in the testing period. So in quality assurance, we make sure that during the development period all the best practices and all the best processes are followed so that the defects cannot arise in the software that the testing team can identify at the testing stage. Whereas quality control is a reactive process because it concerns to identify defects after the development of product and before its release. So in quality control, it is a reactive process because the main concern of quality control is to identify the defects that are present in the software and then fix the defects before it is being released to the client or the customer. So the responsibility for quality assurance is each and every member of the development team is responsible for quality assurance, whereas only the specific team, that is the testing team, is responsible for quality control. Example of quality assurance is verification is the example of quality assurance, whereas validation is the example of quality control. So guys, that's all for today's video. In this video we have seen quality assurance, quality control, and the differences between quality assurance and quality control. So guys, if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. If you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.